Florida, alcohol manufacturer. Bond. What is the alcohol manufacturer bond? The alcohol manufacturer bond is a type of surety bond required by the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation, DBPR, for businesses involved in the manufacturing, bottling, or distribution of alcoholic beverages within the state. This bond serves as a form of protection for the state and its residents by guaranteeing compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and tax obligations related to alcohol production and sales. Why is the alcohol manufacturer bond required? The primary purpose of the alcohol manufacturer bond is to safeguard against potential financial losses incurred by the state or third parties due to the actions or negligence of alcohol manufacturers. By obtaining this bond, manufacturers demonstrate their commitment to operating in accordance with state laws and regulations, promoting responsible business practices, and protecting the interests of consumers and the public at large. Who needs to obtain an alcohol manufacturer bond? Any business involved in the production, bottling, or distribution of alcoholic beverages in Florida may be required to obtain an alcohol manufacturer bond. This includes breweries, wineries, distilleries, and other similar establishments. Whether you're a small craft brewery or a large-scale distillery, if you're engaged in alcohol manufacturing activities within the state, you'll likely need to secure this bond as part of your licensing requirements. How does the alcohol manufacturer bond work? When a business applies for an alcohol manufacturer bond, they enter into a contractual agreement with a surety company. The surety company, typically a licensed insurance provider, agrees to issue the bond on behalf of the manufacturer, thereby guaranteeing their compliance with applicable laws and regulations. In the event of non-compliance, such as failure to pay taxes or violations of alcohol-related laws, the bond may be used to cover any resulting damages or losses. Understanding the cost of the alcohol manufacturer bond. The cost of obtaining an alcohol manufacturer bond can vary depending on several factors, including the bond amount required by the state, the financial stability of the manufacturer, and their credit history. Typically, bond amounts are determined by the DBPR based on the type and scale of the manufacturer's operations. While exact pricing may vary, manufacturers can expect to pay a percentage of the total bond amount as a premium to the surety company. This premium is often calculated based on the manufacturer's creditworthiness and risk factors associated with their business. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.